Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are doing well, enjoying learning mathematics with at the rate MBS at one. Thank you for being part of this live stream. Just going to begin solving a question which is limit x approaches a square root x minus square root a by x minus a is equal to f prime of a, where f of x is what f of x is. So here we have to find what f of x is. A option x, b is square root x, c is 1 by square root x, d is delta option is 1 by 2 square root a. So let us do this. Let's see how can this be done. Viewers, I can't see any of the viewer right now, but perhaps the count is displayed by YouTube later. Please hit the like button. You are the greatest audience ever appearing on a channel. So thank you for being part of all this live stream. Let us begin. Look, f prime of a is equal to this, right? So then what f of x is? We have to find f of x. How can we find? We just evaluate this limit, and that will be equal to f prime of a. Let us begin solving or cracking this limit. What is it equal to? In order to evaluate it, first we try to substitute a. X approaches a. This application of the limit actually forces us to put a here. When a is put here, square root a minus square root a, it will be 0. And denominator application of limit forces us to write a in place of x, so a minus a will be 0. So it is obviously 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 is called indeterminate. For that, we indeterminate form, in order to determine that, we are going to rationalize the numerator. In order to do that, we can multiply and divide by a non-zero number. So this is the non-zero number, non-zero value, which we are multiplying and dividing it by. Square root x plus square root a, square root x plus square root a, we multiply and divide by it. So then what does it lead us to? A plus b, a minus b make a square minus b square, and the denominator is the product x minus a appearing in product with this irrational form, square root x plus square root a, and we can see root and square cancel each other. Then what do we have? X approaches a, x minus a is the numerator, x minus a is in denominator as well, square root x plus square root a, and this factor cancels this. And now what we have is a limit x approaches a 1 by square root x plus square root a. Okay, so by applying limit, now we can apply limit because it is not a 0 by 0 form. So 0 is vanished from numerator. It is 1. Limit application cannot make it 0. So it is neither 0 by 0 form. It was in the beginning. Rationalization allowed us to avoid that form. So now we apply the limit. Limit application makes it a, and this is also a 1 by 2 square root a. See the students, this is the beginning limit is equal to f prime of a. This has been evaluated. Value of it is 1 by 2 square root a. So it means that f prime of a is 1 by 2 square root a. Now we know a function. We know a function f of x is equal to square root x is the function whose derivative f prime is 1 by 2 square root x. If we evaluate it on a, we get this. So see that this is the derivative. This is derivative of the function here, and it is evaluated at a. So which function derivative this is of? This is the derivative of this function. The final line which is derivative is actually the derivative of this function f of x equal to square root x. So when f prime of a is equal to this, means equal to 1 by 2 square root a, which we have evaluated. It means f prime of a is 1 by 2 square root a, then what f of x is? So in this case, when we obtain this can be obtained from using derivative from this function. So when we have f prime of a is equal to 1 by 2 square root a, then the function is f of x is this one. Option B is correct. So I hope students you enjoy learning this uh, great question, which actually involves both concepts together, limit and the derivative of the function. So I got 2 likes out of the 7 viewers which I see on my channel right now. So please, viewers, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe the channel also, because this channel is producing the content loving mathematics. The person who's speaking, who's talking to you, loves mathematics more than anything else. Actually, I should not exaggerate it much. After loving Allah Almighty, this content producer loves mathematics the most, more than anything else. So please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and support us, because we are extremely passionate about mathematics and presenting its content every morning, every evening, every hour. So here is another question, because you people are also dedicated, because you are watching this channel. This channel is for mathematics lovers only. So here is, look, this is the d by dx of square root natural log of x. Can you differentiate this function? It is a radical function, square root function. It involves logarithm also. So can you differentiate it? Are you math genius? Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Love mathematics, practice mathematics to master its concepts. So if what this is equal to, so we have options on it. So what is the correct option? If you are a genius, find the correct option or before me, or I'll do it for you. 2x square root natural log of x, 1 by 2x, and the D option I can write over here is 1 by x. So let us apply our concepts, our understanding, our knowledge to get the derivative of this function, because we know that d by dx is the operator which converts the given function on which it applies into its derivative. So which rule works here? D by dx of natural log of x square root, we know that it can be written as d by dx of natural log of x power 1 by 2. We know that power rule works here. Power rule states that bring power in the beginning. I did that, and then function with the power minus 1, and the derivative of the function without power. Without power, it is natural log of x. So viewers, thank you for joining our channel. I hope that you also love mathematics, natural log of x. This simplification, 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. And derivative of natural log of x is derivative of natural log of x is 1 by x dx by dx, which will later become 1. Dx by dx will become 1. So it is 1 by 2. If we shift it in the denominator, it will be with the positive power. And what here it is 1 by x, and dx by dx is 1. Obviously one doesn't contribute and contribute as far as multiplication is concerned. In multiplication operation, one doesn't contribute, just vanish. 1 by 2, and we can write natural log of x under the root, right? So 1 by x is also here, so together it can be written 1 by 2x natural log of x under the root. So this is correct option. Which is one is correct option? It is b is correct option. So students, as some of you can also attempt this and can solve it before me, but here, see that I have done it for you. Thank you so much for watching this channel. uh, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel, and let's go to into another question. So see that this question is slightly more challenging. If you're a great math students, perhaps you will be able to do it. Otherwise, if you are not that great yet, proceeding to obtain the concepts and mastering them, you are in process of that, then it will be hard for you. So see that option A is d by dx of secant inverse of x plus cosecant inverse of x. Uh, dear viewers, one of the video I watched, a short video which I watched on one of the channel. I like that channel a lot. But a guy enters the room where his father used to sit. So he appears before his father and says, "Papa, Papa, I want to congratulate about something." His dad says, "Yeah, what do you congratulate me on?" So he says, "No, no, no. Sorry for that. Not congratulations, actually." The guy entered the room where his papa was sitting, and he talked to his papa and said that, "Papa, I want to thank you for something." So his papa responded that, "What do you want to thank you? Thank me? What did I do?" I obviously papa does everything for his children. So he inquired the boy that, "What do you want to thank me for?" So that boy said that, "Papa, our school never taught us how to deal with stress, how to deal with I want to thank you because in the school, you sent me to the school, and the school never taught us how to deal with the mental stress, how to deal with the uh, destruction and the relation which is done, and how to recover that when you are jobless and under stress, how to deal with that, uh, how to deal with the hormonal changes. They never taught us how to deal with the suicidal ideas when one comes across. They never told us how to apply our knowledge or something in our practical life." Okay, actually, viewers, a vehicle is passing by, so viewers, a bigger vehicle is passing by, so it was a great sound of it. Anyway, so but he said that our school never taught us how to deal with mental stress, how to deal with suicidal thoughts, how to deal with hormonal changes, how to stay calm when you are jobless and the stress is encompassing, and how to apply your knowledge. So, but they taught us sine theta, cos theta. That is extensively used in our lives. So, Papa, I want to thank you for that. So it is kind of a joke actually, but kind of a soft criticism on the educational system also. It doesn't actually teach how to deal with all these challenges of the daily life, our everyday life. So here is another sine theta cos theta question, students, which is gonna be applied immensely in your daily lives, in our daily lives. So let us look at it here. Derivative of log of x to the base x. Log to the base x of x, we can say. The derivative of this function, what is it? Either if we see, it's a complicated, because inverse function derivative is slightly more complicated. So the derivative of these two, the derivative of pi, the derivative of sine a, if we probe a bit, or if we work on the function, look, log of x to the base x, what is it equal to? If you know the logarithmic function, you know its basics, that logarithmic function is equal to, its value is equal to 1 log this is equal to 1. Why 1? When the base and the value on it, on which the log applies, are same, then it is equal to 1. So actually, what this question is about, it is derivative of this log to the base x of x. Actually, he demands the derivative of 1. Derivative of 1 is 0. Now, you know, students, that if we talk about B option, we evaluated the function. We evaluated given function. Its derivative. Derivative is actually, he demands in this form, he is actually demanding the derivative of 1. We know that 1 is constant, its derivative is 0. And option B, derivative of pi. Do you know that? Derivative of pi. Pi is constant, its derivative is 0. D by dx of sine A. You know that sine A is constant, its derivative is 0. And what about this? The derivative of secant inverse, if I write secant inverse of x derivative, is 1 by x square root x square minus 1, and derivative of cosecant inverse of x is minus 1 by x square root x square minus 1. See that both functions are added, their derivatives will be added. Their derivatives actually are additive inverses of each other. Their derivatives are on negatives of each other. One is negative of the other. So when they will be added, they will make 0. So this derivative is 0. This derivative is 0. Right? This derivative is 0. And this derivative is 0. Right? The function which is given in the beginning. It means all are correct. Correct option is D. So I hope, students, you are enjoying learning here with this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, support us. Your support is oxygen for us. So you provide oxygen, we can breathe, and we can stay alive live on this channel. So thank you so much for supporting us. Let us move to the next page for another question. Another question is, Maclaurin expansion does not exist. You know that whose Maclaurin, uh, out of all these, look, he is actually inquiring that Maclaurin expansion of the function doesn't exist. And the option among functions whose Maclaurin series probably doesn't exist or actually doesn't exist, we have to identify that function. So Maclaurin series of cotangent axis is cotangent derivative is minus cosecant square. Cosecant derivative is okay. Look, if we talk about this as derivatives and their value on zero, right? Derivatives must exist and the value on zero must exist. Then the Maclaurin series exists of a function. If we talk about this, then cotangent zero will be if we evaluate a. Okay, so let us do that. Cotangent of zero, you know that it is cos zero by sine zero, cos zero 1, cos 0 is 1, sine 0 is 0, 1 by 0 is undefined. It means this function actually doesn't is not defined on 0. Maclaurin series exists of a function which is defined on 0, which itself defined on 0, and its derivatives. Now if we talk about derivatives of cotangent x, you know that function is not defined on 0. It is actually undefined. When we put 0, we get something that is called undefined. It means its Maclaurin series doesn't exist. Our finding is option A. Because function has to be defined on 0. So the function is not defined on 0. It means that its Maclaurin series doesn't exist. If we go one step ahead and find its derivative, cotangent derivative is minus cosecant x minus cosecant square x. Okay, if we put 0 in it, it is cosecant square 0. Cosecant is actually 1 by sine. So 1 by sine square 0. See that sine 0 is 0. Again it is 1 by 0 form, undefined form. Neither the function nor its derivative are defined on 0. When they are not defined on 0, it means Maclaurin series for such function doesn't exist. So Maclaurin series of cotangent doesn't exist, right? Viewers, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. As you also love mathematics, just this channel is presenting mathematics content and showing unwavering respect and love for the subject, which is mathematics. So look at another question. Is this question? It is a famous question in FSC book as well. So it is 10y 1 plus 10x is equal to 1 minus 10x, then dy by dx is equal to what? What dy by dx is equal to? So actually we can transform this quickly in a form where derivative evaluation will be easy. So how can we do that? Let us begin. I just shift this factor on that side, and obviously it will appear in denominator, and immediately I do this. Instead of this one, I write 10 pi because 10 pi is 1, 10 pi by 4, and 10x is here, and 1 plus, I believe there is 1 here in product. As 1 doesn't change the structure, change the form, so I can assume 1 here. That one can also be replaced by 10 pi by 4, and 10x will appear together. Now this becomes a famous 10 formula. 10 alpha minus 10 beta divided by 1 plus 10 alpha 10 beta, or 10a minus 10b divided by 1 plus 10a 10b is 10 alpha minus beta form, right? 10 pi by 4 minus x. This formula actually it is a formula which closes like this, right? So I can apply tan inverse on both sides, right? Tan inverse on both sides. On left side it gets cancelled, on right side actually it gets cancelled, because tan and tan inverse both are inverse function, they cancel each other. And then we can see the function transforms into a new form, y is equal to pi by 4 minus x. And now we differentiate because derivative is demanded. So differentiate with respect to x. What does that give us? D by dx of y, d by dx of pi by 4 minus x. So dy by dx will be pi by 4 is constant, its derivative is 0. Dx by dx, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So dy by dx in case of this given function is minus 1. So it is one of the textbook question also. So what is it equal to? Obviously derivative of this function is minus 1. Students, hit the like button please, and subscribe the channel. Show your love and passion for mathematics. I'm showing it, I'm trying to show it while presenting the stuff, mathematical stuff, and concepts and questions before you. So I hope you are also loving this subject a lot, and that is why you're watching this channel. Thank you so much for watching this channel, promoting this. You liking the video. Let us move to the next question. I welcome you all. Thank you all for watching. Welcome you all to this channel. Thank you that you are watching this channel. Let us look at this. This is another derivative based question, right? D by dx of natural log of x raised to the power x at x is equal to e. What is it equal to? uh, Viewers, thank you so much for joining our live stream. Please hit the like button, press it, give us a like, and support the channel. Your support is like oxygen for us to breathe and to stay alive, to produce these live streams. Here, this is natural log of x raised to the power x will be evaluated at x equal to e. And what is the answer? So if we look at the options given, these are the options. And if you are the genius watching this channel, please solve this question before me. It's a big challenge for you, and if you can, then you are bigger mathematician than me. So look, I'm doing it. Actually the derivative of this is not straightforward. Let me tell you that derivative of this is not straightforward. I will have to assume here its name. Its name is y, and then I'll apply natural log, because you know that base is x, the power is x. No derivative rule is for such form. So we actually mold this form into a type where derivative rule can be applied on it. So natural log of x, natural log of x to the power x. Now we know the log rule that it brings the power in the beginning. So this power will be brought in the beginning, natural log of x. Now we differentiate it. We differentiate it with respect to x, d by dx of natural log of y, d by dx of right hand side, which is actually the product. Actually, I should not just write it, I should apply the rule, as it is the product of the two functions. So product rule applies. X is written first, d by dx of natural log of x plus natural log of x, d by dx of x. So see how it will be differentiated. Natural log of y derivative is 1 by y dy by dx is equal to x. Look, natural log applies on this. So the function natural log of x, this will appear in the denominator according to derivative rule for natural log function. And then derivative of this on which log applies. First, this one will be written in 1 by form and then its derivative. Plus natural log of x, and derivative of x is one that appears in product. So 1 by y dy by dx, here it is x, 1 by natural log of x, natural log of x derivative is 1 by x, plus natural log of x. 1 doesn't contribute in multiplication. So here dy by dx is equal to, shift this y on that side, it appears here. This x cancels this x, 1 by natural log of x plus natural log of x. Now students, viewers, we have to evaluate this on what? On E. We have to evaluate this on E. So let us evaluate this on E. Now we will substitute in it the value of E. If we keep this our y is what? Y is this, natural log of x to the power. So in place of y, I write natural log of x, x is e, raised to the power y, raised to the power x, x is e. And this bracket, 1 by natural log of x, x is e, plus natural log of x, x is e. So everywhere x. You know that natural log of e is log to the base e of e, and whenever log having base and the value on which it applies are same, its answer is 1. So natural log of e is 1, right? So if I write it here, dy by dx at x equal to e, okay, at x equal to e, it has been done. Natural log of e is 1. Look, it is 1 power e. Natural log of e is 1 plus natural log of e is 1. So natural log, this will be 1, right? It will be 1, and natural log of this one will be, natural log of this one will be 0. So see students, this is equal to, finally equal to 1, because e power 1 power e will be 1, and this is 1. These two will get multiplied to make 1 finally. So this function evaluated at e is 1. So option C is correct. Viewers, if you challenge my solution, you are welcome. You can show your understanding, show your concept, show your great concern for this solution, which I have done perhaps wrong. Okay, I'm 100% sure that I cannot do it wrong, because each and every bit of the concept involved in it, I know it well, and I have spoken about it, expressed my views on it, expressed my knowledge. If you challenge it, you are more than welcome. Hit the comment box, write comment down below whether the solution is correct or not. If you want to challenge me, you can challenge me on this, and I'll welcome your thought. So I challenge you that you cannot prove it wrong, because it is 100% correct. Thank you so much for watching, for being part of our channel, for watching this live stream, supporting us. I can see some of the people who are the greatest of the audience on earth have hit the like button as well, hit the subscribe button as well. You also have to do that. Thank you so much for providing oxygen to this channel, for by supporting, by being part of it. Allah Hafiz. Until the next live stream, thank you and Allah Hafiz.